Today it's about a pocket watch which was specially made for the English Army during 1895. The watch was made by a Swiss company, West End. I will show you the watch. This is the watch. See, normally pocket watch, these type of pocket watches, we call it as open face pocket watch. This watch has a front lid, so this is called as a hunter case pocket watch. This is a silver pocket watch which comes with a separate key for the winding section. This is a key for the winding. The case is made of silver. Those days, only for the higher officers, they have made the watch the body as in silver. So for sure, this watch must have been owned by a senior officer in the English Army. I will again meet you with some other interesting rare antique watches. Thank you.